hopefully you can't hear the weed eaters outside and the mowers outside of my apartment, but if you can, just listen to my voice, all right? Focus on my voice. If you have not watched video lesson 1, I need you to pause, go back, and watch video lesson 1. This is video lesson 2 for week 5, all right? We're gonna be going over the characteristics of the 6 kingdoms, and we're also gonna be talking about the priority lesson 1. Just a reminder, you only need to do priority lesson 1 and 2, or essential lesson 1 and 2, in either math, science, social studies, or reading. Okay, the supplemental stuff is just for extra content, extra knowledge. I would suggest at least looking at the supplemental stuff for science this week because it is new material and it will help you guys and it will benefit y'all guys in 7th grade. Whether you're going into pre-AP or not pre-AP, this unit is going to be core fundamentals, all right? It's going to be helping y'all guys build up the foundation that you're going to need to know. So we're going to go ahead, go to my desk, and keep rocking out, and let's go talk about some science worksheets. Hey guys, back to my desk. So this is priority lesson 1. I'm going to repeat again. If you have not watched video lesson 1, you need to do that ASAP. Okay, hopefully no one's not gotten to this stage yet and not watched video lesson 1. Anyways, for our priority lesson 1, you're going to want to look at these items of school supplies, and then you're going to sort these into different groups. I have my groups, my items right here, and I'm going to sort these out. Let me zoom out into different groups for you. There's a couple of ways you can think about this. The first thing I see, okay, I am going to sort out the pens or the writing utensils into a group. I'm going to sort out the paper into another group, the hair ties into one group, and then I'll have my Lone Ranger of my cube right here. The second way you can do this, you can take it a step further and you can separate this based off of their colors. So the first way I separated it is based off of their physical properties of what they are intended to be used for. But now I'm going to show you guys if I separate this by color hue, like your blues go with your blues, the black colors go with your black, reds and pinks, you have your lone green, and then you have your 2 different colors of paper. Let me zoom out some more. So there's a couple ways that you can classify or organize items into groups. This can also be applied to everyday items or everyday living things. Now, so back to here. If you have any questions on this, shoot us a text, a message, an email, whatever, private comments. Down here, think about how does grouping school supplies relate to how scientists group living organisms. Hopefully you guys have a really good thing. Think about how they live, what they eat. You have omnivores, carnivores, herbivores, all right? And so the characteristics, I'm gonna bring this up real fast, last thing you're gonna see. So the characteristics of the 6th kingdom, okay, the nucleus, guys, this is what contains DNA, okay? So the nucleus has DNA, all right? No nucleus means that there is no DNA. Nucleus means it has DNA. I went over all these vocab words in video lesson 1. This part right here, extra tidbits, learning nuggets, okay? This is what you're going to apply whenever you do the priority lesson 2 worksheet. Last but not least, this supplemental lesson 1 is not required, but I would take a look at it. It just is going to give you some reinforcement material, but again, it's not required. The only 2 things that are required are the priority lesson 1 and the priority lesson 2. All right, y'all guys have a great day. Keep rocking it out, and I'll see y'all later.